Hi everyone, my name is Edir Adong Florent. My student ID is 2022-815-714. So this is my video presentation for AGR 464. This video is about the management of rats or rodents in oil palm. The scientific name of rat is Rattus demonicus. Rats sexually mature in 3 to 4 months. Each female produces 10 offspring every 2 months. Rats is under the category of rodent pests, which is Muridae and Rodentia. Rats are a major persistent pest of oil palms. Can cause major damage in both mature and immature plantings. Rats eat the ripe and unripe fruits. They also feed on developing pollinators, such as weevil, grubs in past synthesis male inflorescences. Unattended rat infestation can lead to 5 to 15% crop loss in 6 months, and rats will multiply from 60 per hectare to 300 per hectare. Next is the damage symptoms caused by rats. As you can see in the picture, this is among the damage symptoms that caused by rats. First is the rats chewing the lower frond, and then it can cause serious damage of lower fronds. After that, rats can kill the palm, and the rats can also damage the ripe bunch. This is among the other damage symptoms caused by rats. Rats also can do serious damage to fruit bunch, severe damage on palm, as you can see in the picture, and damage to male and female inflorescence oil palm. Now we move to rat activity sign. So if you see all of these signs in the oil palms, means there's a rat around the oil palm, such as runway, burrow, hole and feeding place on the oil palm trees, and the rats can also make the nest on the oil palm tree. Rats can be managed by apply biological control. First, propagating the presence of barn oils or Tito alba in oil palm plantations. The adults eat 1 rodent a night each, but the chicks will have at least 2 each and up to 5, depending on the size of the chicks and of the catch. One breeding season, one pair with 5 chicks will consume at least 3,000 rats. So what we have to do is we install barn oil box at 1 box per 10 hectares. So as you can see at the picture on the right and above, that is the example of barn oil box. And on the perching stand is where the barn oil box installed. So the perching stand is where the rod box will be installed like this. The birds will be dropping from the barn oil box, and you can see also there is the picture of the rat skulls underneath the perching stand. The second management to control the population of rats in oil palm is physical control. For physical control, we have 2. First is trapping device. We can put the trapping device on the oil palm area to trap the rats, and second is by shooting and hunting. The last management to control the population of rats in oil palm is by apply chemical control. For chemical control, we can use rodenticides to reduce rodents population. For examples, we can use zinc phosphide warfarin 1% powder, and warfarin 0.05%. Second generation anticoagulants mean here is if the warfarin that we apply is well, so we can use the rodenticides that have these three active ingredients, which is brodifacium, bromadiolone, and flucomefene. And this is for the red census betting. For betting, we can use two methods, which are calendar betting and response betting. Calendar betting is for areas with a history of high incidence of rat damage or rat attack. We can do 2 campaigns per year, which is start from March to April and September to October. If rat damage is observed in between the betting, campaign rat census must be carried out immediately in the affected areas. Campaign should be initiated when fresh damage reach threshold level of 5%. Second, response betting. Response betting is for areas without areas of rat damage. So the betting based out census result. For response betting, we can observe the fresh damage on bunches and seedlings. We can do response betting bi-monthly, which means at every 2 months or when necessary. So this is for the last section. Census should be carried out once in every 3 months. Farms with more than 5 fruitless freshly damaged should be recorded as fresh damage point. If the row recorded more than 5% as fresh damage point, betting to be carried out until the 10th rows on both sides, left and right of the selected row. To apply first generation bet, for example, we can use warfarin based unless approval obtained from PA to change to second generation bet. We can use brodifacium base. Second generation bet will kill the bud oil when the bud oil feed on the poison rats. To place one bet either on the bunches or palm sucker and replace the bet in every 4th day. Count the replacement bet and stop betting when acceptance is below than 20%. That's all from me, and thank you for watching.